So juicing used to feel like it was reserved for celebrities, but these days there's a whole range of at-home juicers that produce nutritious, delicious fruit and vegetable juices for just a fraction of what you'll pay at your juice bar. Whether you're a fan of green juices or just want something beyond your morning smoothie, these are three models that we tested and loved. The best juicers are easy to use and extract the maximum amount of juice from your produce so that you get the most bang for your buck. In testing, we juiced a whole apple, 3 stalks of celery, and 1 cup of kale. To measure the amount of juice extracted, we weighed the produce before juicing, and then after juicing, we weighed the pulp and measured the amount of juice that was produced. By their nature, all juicers are a little bit noisy, but our picks are on the quieter side. We looked for models that were easy to clean both by hand and with dishwasher-safe parts. Also, all of our top picks came with brushes to help clean the mesh screens. Keep in mind, you do want to clean your juicers pretty quickly after using, because if they sit for too long with sticky bits and pulp in them, they'll get way harder to clean. There are 2 styles of juicers, centrifugal and masticating, or the way I like to think of them, a faster juicer and a slower juicer. They both have pros and cons. Our favorite juicer is a masticating juicer, the NutriBullet Slow Juicer. The NutriBullet operates vertically, using an auger to slowly mash produce against a strainer to separate juice from pulp. It takes longer, but produces more juice. The downside to slow juicers like this one is the auger can become jammed, requiring you to take the entire juicer apart to clean it. The food chutes for masticating juicers are oftentimes a little bit smaller, so you'll have to cut up your produce so it can fit through. That said, the NutriBullet extracted the most juice in every test and was quieter than any other model. It's also the most compact model that we tested, so it's great for smaller kitchens. The Hamilton Beach Big Mouth Juicer is our top pick for a centrifugal juicer, and it's a fraction of the cost of many juicers on the market. Centrifugal juicers work by starting to shred your fruits and vegetables to a pulp. Gravity pulls the juice down through a mesh strainer and out to the juice cup, while centrifugal force whisks the pulp that's left behind up and over the side of the basket to the attached waste bucket. Centrifugal juicers are easy to use, fast, and have less parts, so they're easier to clean. But the downside is you get a little less juice out of your produce, and it's harder to juice greens. The Hamilton Beach model arrives fully assembled, ready to use right out of the box, which I'm a big fan of because I don't want to be assembling little parts. If you love juice and smoothies, then the Breville Blueser is designed with you in mind. This blender juicer combo is pricey, but it's a 2-in-1 appliance. The ingenious design of this appliance allows you to blend, juice, or both with the touch of a button. The jug that captures the juice during juicing has a built-in blender base, allowing you to go straight from juicing to blending. It's great for using fresh juice in your frozen cocktails like a pina colada, plus it arrives fully assembled. Whether you choose to go with a centrifugal or a masticating juicer, there are plenty of options on the market.